We have entered an era of increased interlinkages between geopolitics and economics. In this geoeconomic era, we face increased geopolitical competition for areas, resources, and routes. And this increase in competition translates, among other factors, into pressure on all points along international value and supply chains. States use increasingly economic measures to achieve foreign policy ends. Thus, in the coming decades, 2 points will be fundamental. First, as we deal more and more with populist and autocratic regimes and governments, we need a better understanding of how these regimes and governments themselves deal with geopolitics and economics, and how democracies can interact with them. Second, we need a better understanding of how wars and/or conflicts interact with the economy, as the war in Ukraine has shown us.